Hey there, guys. Thanks for tuning in again. Red Tail Ray coming at you with another just a quick one this time. Quick shop update. So, I'm settling quite nicely. It hasn't even been a year yet since I built this tiny little shop. Back up here. Tiny little man bear cave. Did some more moving around, moving some stuff around, moved my workbench against that wall. If you follow that whole series of videos I did on building this whole shop, settling some tools in, bench grinder, hung some stuff on the walls, still got the cherry wood up there drying. I got that gun safe installed. Chainsaw shelves are holding up very, very nice. The rolling tool cart is holding up very, very nice. Oh, by the way, lawnmower's running great. Ta-da! What I wanted to show you guys quick, though, was the new bench I built. So I figured, one way or another, what I would like to do, especially when it's wintertime, is to be able to come in the shop and do all kinds of, whether it's woodworking or metalworking, leatherworking, making Kydex holsters and sheaths or whatever. I'd like to be able to come into the shop where it's at least an always constant 45 degrees in here because of these two interior walls to the house. Without even the little milk house heater on down there, I can come out here, kick that little heater on. It can be up to 60 degrees in an hour, maybe a little bit less, and come out here and work and keep all the tools in here. But what I really wanted to do was take and get my workbench back, my actual workbench that I designed and built specifically for some heavy duty work. But I had was like all the stuff just lying all over it, and it was just a constant mess. And since I built the shop, this whole area over here was just kind of like a hodgepodge of stuff lying around, and I still got quite a bit of stuff to go through, organize, bins of old holsters I'd like to finish up, and stuff I'd like to organize, cabinets, drawers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do down here, but I built this bench, so it's got a laminate, a plywood, or laminate top. It's also got what do you call it, MDF, whatever. It's that chipboard. It's not the particle board, but it's the chipboard underneath. It's all double reinforced 2x4s, and I still got to add some braces. But doing a little dumpster diving with my brother-in-law, I was able to get a whole bunch of 2x4s, a whole bunch of 2x6s, 2x8s, and so this thing is perfectly fit into the space that I thought I would need. So this work surface holds not only the cutting mat, it's got the light above it, and it's just a great work surface for light duty kind of work and cutting and assembly kind of stuff. Nice white slippery top so I can brush stuff off. I did get this new, well, it's new to me, it's old, and it needs quite a bit of work with the stuff in the back heat press for pressing Kydex, and the original press someday might be replaced with an actual vacuum press. But this work surface is 30 inches deep, and it is 7 feet long, corner to the edge right here, where I'd still like to be able to work and get access up to my pegboard over here. And then this area is from this wall, from this corner over to that wall, is 6 feet long. So it's 6 feet by 7 feet, 30 inches deep here, and only 24 inches deep here to try to really maximize the little work area that I have. Again, it's just a whole bunch of, it's cross-laid 2x4s. I don't have any leg support in here whatsoever because they're all resting on, let's see if I can show you. I did some very creative making of this and braced it all up and locked it into not only the wall and such. I just didn't want a whole bunch of legs in the way if I wanted to tuck stuff over or underneath the desk. And then again, what I did too is, if you can see under there, I gave it a couple nice sized braces, braced everywhere, and then reinforced 2x4s, and I got them all cut. And I don't have a very level, I mean, it's close to level garage floor down in here. It does have a little bit of slope, and there was quite, without a whole bunch of professional woodworking tools, making this perfect 45-degree angle, match really well and still be flush against the walls. It was quite a process. So then what I did, just to kind of dress it up a little bit, I was looking at a wood side or like a wood, fascia to it, but I decided to take some of this fire hose that I got up there, right there, unroll it, left the rubber on this stuff. It was the same stuff I was making the fire hose my cart out of, and I gave it a full wrap of bright orange, dirtied, used, decommissioned fire hose, and it works really nicely in the shop. I think it's a nice touch to it. Gives me plenty of workspace. I mean, I even got my buddy's gun. I'm just trying to sight in this new to him. He's letting me borrow it for a while. It's the, what is it? It is the Remington something pellet gun. Remington Tyrant XGP. There we go. So that's a lot of fun, taking squirrels out. Anyways, that's the quick update for the shop. It's a beautiful day outside. Actually, we've had 90 degrees and 100-degree days all last week and all over Memorial Day weekend, and just settling down into some cooler temperatures today after a couple nasty storms the last couple days. And today it's just been kind of dreary and rainy all day, but the sun just poked out a little bit and it's starting to clear up, and it's a great day to be a red-tailed ray. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.